Hello YouTubers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the gig economy and how you can make money using gig apps. We'll explore what the gig economy is, how to get started, and discuss the pros and cons. So if you're ready to learn about the flexible way to earn, keep watching. Let's begin by understanding what the gig economy is. It's a job market where short-term flexible jobs are norm. People work as independent contractors on a project or task basis rather than traditional long-term employment. How to get started? Now let's dive into how to get started in the gig economy. Thanks to the gig apps, it's easier than ever. Simply download an app, create a profile, and you're ready to start accepting gigs. Some popular gig apps are like Uber, Lyft, TaskRabbit, and Upwork. Pros of the gig economy. Let's talk about the pros. There are many advantages to working in the gig economy. You have flexibility, diverse income, you are independent, and you learn some skills. Cons of gig economy. But like any other work, there are downsides of the gig economies as well. You may face income variability, lack of benefits, no job security, and self-employment taxes. So that's all for today. The gig economy and how gig apps can be your ticket to flexible work and extra income. It's a great option if you're looking for more control over your career. As always, make sure to weigh the pros and cons to determine if it's the right fit for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.